Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Ditley Has Plans. In today's video, we are unboxing my September subscription box from Archer and Olive. So let's take a look. Alrighty friends, so I just wanted to start with the outside of the box. This is something a little different this quarter. It's actually a little more decorative. Normally it's just a sort of a solid color box with their logo on it. But this box has a little quote on it: venture back in time to an enchanted forest and let your creativity bloom. We've got some deco here, gold foiling all around it. My box did take a little bit of a beating, but that's fine. It actually ended up being shipped to being delivered to my neighbors around the corner from me. They dropped it off yesterday, had said we didn't even know it wasn't our box. So who knows how long they had it, but it made its way to me safely, a little dinged up. But the way Archer and Olive shipped this is the box was actually shrink wrapped in plastic, so it would be safe from getting wet. But then that is sent in just a regular plastic envelope, so it's not like a box inside of a box, so that's why it got a little dinged. But I just wanted you to see the outside of the box because it is kind of different than normal, really pretty. So the theme, if you can imagine, is called Forest Heirloom, and so that's sort of in keeping with the theme, all of this deco here, and of course the little quote. So I just want to open this up and just take a peek with you all together. Look at this box. This has so many goodies in it. And you know, friends, I've now subscribed to this box for a full year. I was kind of on the fence as to whether I would continue the subscription. And I haven't gone through everything. I just kind of, like I said, took the plastic wrap off. I did open it just to kind of see how things were in here, but I haven't opened anything. And so just from the looks of this, isn't this just an amazing treasure trove of goodies for journaling and planning and whatnot? So what I'm gonna do is let's put this to the side. We'll take everything out and we will unpackage as we go. Alrighty friends, hold on one second. Alrighty, so let's start with the little package of stickers. They always include a little package of stickers, and these are translucent stickers, as it says here. I love all the foiling. Their packaging is always so amazing. So let's just pop this open. Aww, these are pretty. All very on theme. So we've got here little citrus and greenery. They're very delicate feeling, like washi paper feeling. That's pretty. Oh, look at this little A-frame house, like a little cabin. That's cute. And then here we have the little fig. This is a fig, right, friends? I think it is. So there's 4 stickers there in that little package. Very sweet. And then let's go, since we're talking stickers, this is washi tape. It's a set of 4, so we'll open this up. Okay, how pretty. Ooh, look at this really wide one. It has that fig pattern on it. And then we've got that A-frame little house here and this brown one. I don't know if I'm holding them close enough for you to see. This one's really thin. And then this pretty blue. That's pretty. Let me go ahead and let's run a piece of it out on a piece of white paper. Alrighty, friends. So there you can see I laid out a strip of each. Hopefully you can see that a little better. Pretty. I like this really wide one. That's really cute. Oh, my little rolls are rolling. All right, so 4 washi. There you go again. All right, let's take a look at what's next. Okay, so next there's a wooden ruler. Oh, wow, look at this. Let's see if I can get this out. Oh, it's quite wide. That's pretty. What do they call this? Wood burnishing? Is that what it's called when it's etched like that? How pretty is that? And then just solid on the back. That's really nice. Okay, so wooden ruler. Okay, and then this is vintage inspired ribbon, set of 3. Oh, that's a big box for 3. Oh, wow. Oh, it's on a wooden spool. How pretty. It's like a crepe. Oh my goodness. This is really pretty. I'm not going to untie this because I will have ribbon all over, but you can see it's on a wooden spool. How pretty is that? Oh my gosh, I love this pinky mauve color. That's really pretty. Oh, I can just see this in my girl's hair. Oh, that is really neat and really interesting. They would make pretty like ribbon bookmarks. You could, I guess, just glue it down into your journal. That is really unique. I like that. So vintage inspired ribbon. Okay, and then next is a vintage alphabet stamp set, okay? This is interesting. Oh, look at this wooden box. Their little emblem on it. Oh my gosh, how cool is this? The whole alphabet, and then an exclamation point and a question mark. Let me see if I can get this out. Oh, okay, wow. Here we go. I'm just gonna take the A out. There you go, look at that. How fun is this? And then so this here is the ink pad to go along with it. Oh, and that pretty brown color. Look at that. I don't want to open the ink pad right now, so I won't test these out, but basically you get the idea. Oh, how fun. I love this little box. Like, how cool is this whole little set? That is really neat. That's the thing that I love about these subscription boxes. You just never know what you're going to get. Sure, you're going to love some things, maybe not like some things as much as others, but just the unique items like this. I would never buy a box of wooden stamps like that. That is so cool. I love that. Very vintage. That is neat. Okay, let's see. We've got here next some acrylographs in the 0.7 millimeter. This is, again, the packaging is so beautiful and so on theme with the whole forest heirloom. Look at these colors. Oh my gosh. These are gorgeous. You know what, friends? I will take a few minutes and I will activate these and we'll do a little swatch of these in my notebook. Okay, so I think I got each of these activated enough. It takes a little bit, as you know. So I'm just gonna kind of do a little color swatch here for you. So you can see this is so pretty, this like mauvey pink. These are gorgeous colors. Of course, you know, to activate acrylograph pens, you do have to shake them and then you kind of have to pump them a little bit. You like press on the tip until you get the ink flowing. Isn't that pretty? And then let's do this one here. This dark, rich, like kind of burgundy color is so pretty. This is really a good box. I was so excited about the last box. Remember that one, friends? With all the cute like lemon colors and everything. And the little tin box. They are really just, because the first couple of boxes, there were a couple of things in there, like I said, I was just kind of like, you know, maybe not my style. That's all. Not that they weren't bad. They just weren't quite my style. I'm going to do this one like this. This is, I think, my favorite color, this blue and the pink. Right? Are these so me? It's kind of like a tealy blue. So pretty. Oh my God, I love these. How beautiful are those? I really have to start using these and play around with them. Okay, so that is a set of 5. And you know, they don't have the name of the color on the pen itself, but if you go on their website, some of these pens, if they're sold separately or individually, there will be a color name. So again, this is the 0.7 millimeter tip or nib, as you will. And look at these beautiful colors. Okay, so those are the pens. Love them. Okay, so the next item in this big box, look at this box. Flower Press, a collection of your floral findings. Oh my gosh. Okay, how do I open this? Oh, here we go. Floral Findings. Wow. Oh my gosh. I've always wanted something like this. Oh, the girls are gonna love this. So this is an actual flower press They have so many corsages and things from prom and homecoming, and with this being Sophie's senior year, she's gonna love this. We can press her little corsage. How fun is that? So you put your flower in there, obviously, and you crank these down and tighten it on there and press them. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. What a special item. And it's really thick, like wood. Oh, I really like that. Okay. Got a couple more things here, friends. Okay, I took the plastic off of this, but I didn't open it yet. So this is some kind of journal or book. I love their boxes. Oh, how pretty. It's the A-frame little house. Oh, and this feels like one of those vegan leather type covers. So we've got the elastic band on here. Let's open this up. Oh, it's dot grid. Oh, look at how pretty this is. This book belongs to, so you can put your name there. Look at this pretty gold foiling. It is the, what do you call this? Double wire O or double O, and then dot grid pages. Oh, I love their paper. Oh my gosh. And then let's see. Oh, and in the back, it does have the little accordion file pocket. So you can put things in there. There's no like little bookmark, like their signature ribbon bookmark, but I think that's because of the binding type. This is, I love this size. How pretty is that? Really nice. And so it's 112 dot grid pages, and of course it's their 160 GSM thick paper. So that's really nice, 112 pages. That's cute. I love this size. I don't even know what size this is. Is this like B5, B6? It doesn't say. But I love this. That's cute. Oh my gosh. All right, one more item, friends, and this one's a big one. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Are we all the way in the frame? Look at this one. All the foiling on the boxes are so pretty. There we go. Oh my God. I just got the chills. Oh my gosh. It's velvet with gold foiling. Oh, let's take this out. Wow. Oh, look at the foiling. That's kind of more like a rose gold here. Look at this book. Oh my God. This is just phenomenal. Okay, this is 160 dot grid pages, and it says it's 150 GSM. So a little bit lighter weight. Look at the, oh, it's like you tie it. The ribbon closure is so that you tie it. Oh, I love that. Look at that. Oh, that's really vintage. This green velvet is amazing. Look at how pretty the artwork is in there. Okay, so again, title page. And then I feel like the paper, it looks like, does that look a little more like creamy versus white? Yeah, like if you look at my, oh yeah, definitely it's creamy compared to the white, which the creaminess lends itself, I think, to being even more vintage feeling, don't you think, friends? Oh my God, what am I gonna do with this book? Let's see, I think I see a ribbon. Yep, the ribbon bookmark with the signature ampersand, their logo. So dark green ribbon bookmark. How beautiful is this? Oh my gosh, the pages are just amazing. They do feel a little lighter weight, but they're still gonna hold up to like an acrylograph pen. And then of course, the accordion pocket is still here. What a nice big pocket too, since this is such a big book. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Let's take a look. The back is just solid velvet. Oh, friends, what an amazing journal. This has really got to be for something special. Wow. I am blown away by this. Like, I was super excited about the last box, but this one is just so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I have to come up with ideas. What? Tell me, friends, if you had this book, or if you did get the subscription box, what do you plan to use this book for? And if you didn't, what would you use this for? What are your suggestions? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get everything back into frame and take one last look. Alrighty, friends, I think you can see a little bit of everything here. Wow, what a tremendous box. I really think this box has held its value. So let me just tell you a little bit about the subscription, because I don't know that I mentioned it. So this theme was Forest Heirloom, so there is a theme to every box. It is released quarterly, so the 1st of June, September, December, and March. It does give you access for 3 months, like after you purchase your first box, to the Club A&O. And then I bought in when the box was $70. I think now the current price is $75, but this one they said had a value of $195, which I totally believe with some of these really unique items that I don't know where you would find something like this. So I have no idea what it would even be valued at if you could find it, but what a fun box. 2 beautiful notebooks, this incredible vintage ribbon, the acrylographs, the washi, the stamps, the floral press, just really unique and beautiful items. Friends, I think that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.